Hi guys, this is Omar with Vertical Doors Inc. We just finished a Camaro today. Let me show you how our kit works. Just open the door until the door stops, raise the door up. From the inside, reach as far back as you can. If you can, grab the top, grab the pocket, bring the door down, and then close it like normal. To open the door, just open the door like normal, grab as far back as you can, raise the door up.
Like, share, subscribe, and tag. Hundreds of models available. For sales and installation, please contact Vertical Doors Incorporated.